Hi, this student video is around the communication tools that are available in Schoology that teachers might use to communicate with you. So what I have here is a split screen. On the right side is the Schoology app, and on the left side is the web browser in Schoology. So you might use one or the other. So I wanted to kind of navigate both of those views. So the first thing we're going to start with is Schoology Messages. And now a teacher might decide to use Schoology Messages to send a message to everyone in the class, including your parents if they're connected. Or they might send a Schoology message to you just individually. But how you are going to know if you received one is by the envelope icon on the top bar. If there is a number in the little yellow circle, that means that you have a message. And you'd notice the same thing in the app at messages as well. So we have the message here on both of them. And then if I tap it here, or if I tap it here, then I would be able to see the message. So that is how Schoology Messages work. And if I want to reply over here on the web browser, I just tap in the message part and then I can reply. In the app, let me just bring it over a little bit, I would tap this arrow and then I could type my message there and my reply there. So both work to reply back to your teacher. So that is how messages work. It's pretty straightforward. So another way, and this is probably the way that teachers will share out information most often, is through Schoology updates. And so what you see on the front of your home screen on both the app and in the web browser are the updates. So you see that Jenny Hewling, who's the teacher, posted an update. You see Mrs. Hoffman, who is a teacher, posted an update. So you see the updates in your different classes on this front page. That's the recent activity, or any updates that teachers have given. Another place that you can see it is right within the courses. So if I went to the math course, I have really two places that I might see updates. You see one update right up at the top. That announcement right there where it says welcome to the new year, a teacher might pin an announcement right up there. That's the most recent update. That's a great place to look to see that. Another place that you'll find them is in the updates tab. And so you will see the different updates that are right below. So in the Schoology app, it looks a little different. If I go into math, what you'll notice is that pinned one isn't on the top. You won't see it up there on the top. So you'll need to go to updates to be able to see them. So some students really like to be able to see that one that's pinned. So then you'd want to use the web browser, but you can also see it if you go to updates right here as well. So updates is another great way. A third possible way that a teacher might communicate with you is through Campus Messenger, and that would be located in your Colab email address that you would go to your mail app and click on that to get those messages. So those are the ways that teachers will utilize Schoology and possibly Campus Messenger to communicate with you. So that messages, the messages little envelope up at the top, updates, and then maybe that possible announcement up at the top of the screen.